Now, for these sponsors and exhibitors rule, so sponsors give money or support. Exhibitors showcase product. So, for example, at a debut, the Tito or Ninang might sponsor the cake or venue. A local makeup artist might showcase their talent by doing the debutant's makeup for free and exchange for exposure. The sponsor and exhibitors rules, no, when we say sponsors, give money or items like in kind to support the event. Exhibitors, it is the businesses or groups who showcase their products or services during a event. Like for example, a photo booth company setting up at the debut to advertise their service while entertaining the guests. For the shared goal, brand visibility, so both want people to notice their brand and maybe become future customers. Like, for example, guests remembering the bakery that made the cake or the photo booth company. So for the contribution, they help fund the event and also make it more fun or meaningful. Example, sponsor lesson expenses while exhibitors add activities or freebies. For the suppliers and service providers, so catering services, they are the one who provide food and drinks. Like for example, the catering team serving dinner and dessert at the debut. The audiovisual technology, they handle sounds, light, and video. Like DJ, microphone, projector for photo slideshow, and spotlight for the 8 and Rosa stands. And decor and event styling, make the venue look beautiful and match the theme. Like, for example, flowers, balloons, table settings, and backdrop for the debut stage. For the printing and materials, it can create printed items like invitations, banners, or program. Like printing the debut invitations and the list of 18 treasures. For the logistic and transportation, they can handle transport and movement of items or people. For example, the van that delivers the catering equipment or stage props for the debut. For the security and safety management, they keep everyone safe and secure. So for example, a guard checking guests at the entrance or making sure no accident happen with um, equipment. So including or include catering, lights and sounds, decor, logistic, and security. For the view, the caterer ensures delicious food, the lights and sounds team sets the mood, and the decor transform the venue to fit the theme. So participants and delegates, they are the reason the event exists. For example, for a debut, the guest friend, relatives, classmates make the event lively, join activities, and give feedback afterward. So, primary event audience, they are the reason the event is held. The debutant's family, friends, and classmates are the main audience of the debut. They can be engaged in sessions and activities, or they can join the programs and enjoy the activities. So, for example, guest dance in the Eton Roses, light candles, or give speeches for the debutants. It can provide critical feedback, so they share what they like or what could improve. For the network and collaborate, they meet new people and build connections. For the type of delegates, we have um professional in industry. When we say trade delegates, when we say corporate delegates, it is the company representative. When we say consumer delegates, it is the regular customer of the public. For example, in a debut, the delegates are family, friends, teachers, or neighbors invited to celebrate that event. For the government and LGU involvement, so they issues permit and clearance, make sure the event follows rules and law. For example, getting a permit if the debut is held in a public park or barangay hall. So they can promote events, they can support events that bring people together, posting about a community debut on their FB page as part of local culture promotion, ensure safety and security. They can provide police, barangay tanods, or fire marshals if needed. It also offer tourism and investment incentive, usually for big events to attract visitors. Like for example, for ADBU, this may not apply much, but for bigger events like festivals, the LGU offers support to boost the tourism. So each stakeholder plays a unique role. Everyone has their own job. So, for example, the planner organizes the program, the caterer serves food, and the decorator set the theme, and the participants join activities and the debut. Success depends on effective communication. So, clear updates keep everything smooth. Then, shared goals and mutual understanding. So, everyone works for the same purpose. All stakeholders aim to make the debut memorable and special for the debutant and guests. For the flexibility and adaptability are key, so things may not go as planned, so quick adjustment matters. For example, if the programs run late, caterer serves food a bit later, and the DJ change the place or playlist to keep guests entertained. Stakeholder engagement strategies, so clear communication channels. Everyone must know how to connect or to contact each other. Define rules and expectations, so each person knows their job. For example, the caterers know they handle food, the decorators know they set up the theme, the host knows they run the program. For the regular coordination meeting, checking progress avoid problems. For example, a quick meeting before the debut to confirm food, lights, and sound system are ready. For the transparent performance metric, knowing what successful look like, then mutual respect and collaborations. Work as a team, respect each other's effort. So if the get, for example, if the caterer is delayed, others adjust the programs instead of blaming everyone. So challenges and stakeholder management. So stakeholders may have different goals. For example, the debutants wants an elegant ballroom, but the parents prefer a simple venue to save money. For the communication barrier, misunderstanding cause problems. Then for the budget constraints, not enough money for everything desired. Diverse expectations, like for example, different people expect different things. Then for the technological integrations, issue with equipments or system. Like for example, the projector doesn't work for the ABV or video presentation, or the microphone suddenly stopped during the speeches. Then for the benefits of effective stakeholder collaboration, first is enhance event quality. So when everyone works together, the event looks and feel professional. For the improved participants' experiences, guests enjoy and remember the event. For example, the guests are entertained, well fed, and happy to celebrate with the debutant. Potential for future opportunities. So good teamwork creates more chances in the futures. So for the reflections, you can answer these in your own and you can pass it to your respective um, teachers. So that's all for our chapter 3. Thank you for your listening.